Welcome back to Reviews Heaven, your go-to spot for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best vegetable choppers that will save you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're dicing onions, slicing veggies, or pureeing for baby food, these choppers are game changers for any home cook. We'll break down the features, pros, and cons of each, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. And guess what? All the product links are waiting for you in the description box below, so you can check them out or grab your favorite right after the video. Let's get chopping. Without the tears. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. When it comes to meal prep, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is a total game changer. This 4-in-1 kitchen gadget is TikTok famous for a reason. It slices, dices, chops, and spiralizes veggies faster than you can say, "What's for dinner?" Whether you're chopping onions without tears or spiralizing zucchini for those healthy pasta nights, this tool has your back, minus the drama. The real MVP here is the 420 stainless steel blades. They're sharp enough to make carrots wish they had body armor. Plus, they're rust-resistant, so they'll stay razor-sharp meal after meal. Need to dice potatoes or tomatoes? Done. Cucumbers? Also done. And the best part? It's so fast, you'll feel like a chef without the hat or the paycheck. The design deserves its own spotlight. With a soft grip handle that feels like a hug for your hand and a non-slip base that sticks like glue, this gadget keeps things steady, even if you're a little clumsy. Oh, and clean up? Toss it in the dishwasher, top rack, please, and call it a day. If your kitchen needs a hero, the Fullstar Chopper is it. It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and just plain fun to use. Warning: you might start looking for excuses to chop things. Number 2. Mueller Pro Series Vegetable Chopper. Say hello to the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Chopper, the ultimate time saver for meal prep. This kitchen wizard doesn't just chop, it dices, slices, shreds, juliennes, and even makes French fries. With 8 high-quality blades, it's like having an entire kitchen team. But without all the back talk. The stainless steel blades are sharper than your comebacks, making quick work of onions, tomatoes, and even stubborn cabbage. Whether you're prepping for salsa or a mountain of coleslaw, this tool handles it all with ease. Plus, the food container keeps your countertop clean, because no one likes a messy kitchen or a slippery tomato. Safety? It's a priority. The food holder ensures no runaway veggies, and cleanup is as easy as tossing everything in the dishwasher. Bonus: it comes with a scrubbing fork for those hard-to-reach spots. Talk about attention to detail. With this chopper, you can whip up healthy, home-cooked meals faster than fast food delivery. So, put down the phone, pick up the Mueller, and make your kitchen the happiest place on earth. Yes, even on a Monday. Number 3. MAIPOR Vegetable Chopper. The MAIPOR 13-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is here to take your kitchen game to the next level. With 8 interchangeable blades, it slices, dices, shreds, and even grinds your favorite veggies and fruits. It's like having a culinary Swiss Army knife, but for food prep. This tool saves time, energy, and yes, even your sanity. Say goodbye to those frustrating moments with slippery tomatoes or uneven onions. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the blades are sharp enough to tackle even the toughest carrots. Rust-resistant and built to last, these blades make clean, crisp cuts every single time. Plus, they swap out effortlessly, so you'll never feel like you're wrestling with your kitchen gadget. Garlic, cabbage, or zucchini? Bring it on. Its innovative design includes a 1.2L container that catches everything you chop. No need for a cutting board. Your counters stay spotless. And when it's cleanup time, toss it in the dishwasher or use the included scrubbing fork. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Whether you're a pro chef or a home cook, this chopper is a game changer. It's compact, versatile, and makes healthy cooking a breeze. With MAIPOR, meal prep is no longer a chore. It's practically an adventure, with far less crying over onions. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Say goodbye to teary onion prep and hello to the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Whether you're whipping up a quick mirepoix, a zesty salsa, or prepping nuts for brownies, this gadget has you covered. It's like having a sous chef in your kitchen, minus the attitude. With its stainless steel blade that rotates every time you press the knob, chopping has never been easier or more satisfying. Each press delivers evenly chopped veggies, herbs, or nuts, and the comfortable knob makes it feel less like work and more like fun. Yes, chopping can be fun now. The large catcher cup with measurement markings is a game changer. It keeps your counter mess-free and lets you measure as you chop. Clean up? A total breeze. It disassembles easily and is dishwasher safe, so you can focus on eating, not scrubbing. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, or salsa nights, the OXO chopper is a kitchen tool you didn't know you needed. It's so easy to use, even your leftover celery will feel special. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. Say hello to the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper, your new kitchen sidekick. This compact, 3-cup food processor makes chopping, mincing, and pureeing a breeze. With its patented stack and press design, assembling it is easier than trying to find the lid to your Tupperware. Just press the lid to chop, release to stop. No twist-lock puzzles required. Don't let its size fool you. This chopper's 350-watt motor and stainless steel blades can handle everything from onions and nuts to smooth baby food or creamy dressings. Got carrots that think they're tough? Not anymore. Plus, there's an oil dispenser on the lid, perfect for emulsifying sauces without making a mess. Cleaning up? No problem. The bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. And the hideaway cord? It's a neat freak's dream. No more tangled mess on your counter. Perfect for small kitchens or big cooking days, the Hamilton Beach Chopper proves good things really do come in small packages. It's so easy to use, you might just find excuses to chop everything. Yes, even snacks. Thanks for watching this review on the top 5 best vegetable choppers. We hope it helped you find the perfect kitchen tool for your needs. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.